birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
हेलो प्रज्ञा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। तेरे को आज 50 साल हो गए हैं दुनिया में आए, जीवन में तेरे खुशियाँ आए। मेरे को आज भी याद है तेरा अजमेर में जब तू पैदा हुई थी। डॉक्टर एलिस ने तेरे को मेरे को आके बताया कि आपके घर एक नन्ही परी आई है।
चिड़िया आई है, चिड़िया।
छोटी सी चिड़िया आई है। और बस।
हेलो किट्टी, क्या हाल है? आज तुमको 50 साल हो गए पूरे। बहुत खुशी की बात है। ऐसा लगता है कल के ही बात है। बहुत 50 साल कहाँ गुजर गए कुछ पता नहीं चला। बहुत अच्छी बात है।
एंजॉय करो आज अपना, खूब अच्छे से अपना जन्मदिन मनाओ बेटा। भगवान तुम्हें सब खुशियाँ दे।
और वो टाइम आए जब तुम और हम पर्सनल मिले। जल्दी टाइम आए और सब ठीक है। हैप्पी बर्थडे 50th।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हेलो प्रज्ञा, हाउ आर यू? हैप्पी बर्थडे 50th। खुश रहो बेटा। ओके, सबसे बात करो, सब जगह विश करो।
हेलो प्रज्ञा, हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। बहुत बहुत बधाई हो तेरे को बर्थडे की, 50th बर्थडे। खूब एंजॉय करो।
Happy 50th birthday, Kitty Didi. May you have the most incredible 50th birthday, and the next 50 years to come are even better than what you have had till date. Wish you a very very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Masi.
नित्या रोज से बोलो
Happy birthday.
जोर से बोलो, जोर से बोलो।
मैं तो दिखाओ।
Hello Pragya Didi, happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. May you have a great golden jubilee. Thank you.
Hi Pragya, many happy returns of the day. It is 37 years. Can you imagine? It's 37 years since we have met. Yesterday I was remembering our school days, like we used to wait for each other. Those patties and those chole bhature outside the school. You remember? Oh my God, can't remember. It's so long. And you are 50 today. Oh gosh. Pragya, I'm really missing you here. I wish you were here. Anyway, our good wishes, our love to all of you, and lots of good wishes always.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kitty.
Have an amazing day.
Lots of love and kisses. 50 cheers to you.
आप भी आ गए हो जी 50वें प्लस के क्लब में। वेलकम टू द क्लब एंड हैव रॉकिंग नेक्स्ट 50 years also.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मासी।
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Kitty Didi, wishing you a very very happy birthday, the big 50, sending you so much love and all the well wishes for 50 more wonderful years.
हाय किट्टी, अरे सही में तू 50 की हो गई। मुझे तो अभी ध्यान है, मैंने तुझे गोदी में लिया था। इतनी जल्दी कैसे टाइम निकल गया। पर चल ठीक है, बढ़िया। जैसा मिथिला ने बोला 50 साल और जियो, और हम भी तुमको 50 साल बाद दोबारा विश करें। ओ मैं तो कितने की हो जाऊंगी, 120 की।
Hi Kitty, happy birthday, all the best. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday. Happy 50th birthday. It's good to know. It's good to know कि 50 साल वाले बुढ़े ऐड होते चले जा रहे हैं।
हाँ, रियश्योरिंग होता है पुराने बुढ़ों के लिए।
बुढ़ापा बढ़ता जा रहा है। Okay, have a nice, healthy, happy life.
एंड बहुत सारी मस्ती करना। बाय।
हाय दीदी, हैप्पी 16th, हैप्पी बर्थडे। बोलना तो मैं यही चाहता था, फिर नेहा ने मुझे याद दिलाया कि आपका 50वां है इस साल। वो तो और भी बहुत अच्छी बात है। फिर मैंने बोला, तो नेहा ने बोला कि यार कुछ दीदी के लिए कुछ रिकॉर्ड करना है आपको। तो मैंने बोला क्या रिकॉर्ड करें, तो उन्होंने कुछ वीडियोस वगैरह दिखाए हमें। सब वीडियो में यही बात हो रही थी कि क्योंकि हम ही एक यंगेस्ट हैं दमादों में, तो सब लोग यही कह रहे हैं कि आपको 50 साल से जानते हैं, जिस दिन आप पैदा हुए उस दिन से ये स्टोरी चल रही है आपके साथ। हम ये नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन मैं ज़रूर ये कह सकता हूँ कि यू आर अ वेरी गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग, बी लाइक दैट। एंड अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही किसी समझदार इंसान ने मुझे बताया ये बात कि यार, टू क्लाइम द हिल टॉप, you know, you require that 50 years to get to the top. So आपकी जर्नी वैसी है कि आप हिल टॉप पे पहुंच गए हैं। It's taken you many years, बट हिल टॉप के नीचे भी आना है और आने की स्पीड ज़्यादा होती है। So मैं यही दुआ करूँगा कि आपकी स्पीड नीचे आने की ज़्यादा हो। May God give you everything that you enjoy life in every aspect. एंड जाते जाते ये ज़रूर कहूँगा कि एक हरिवंश राय साहब की एक पोएम है, उनके 2 शब्द ज़रूर कहूँगा आपके लिए कि हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती, आज यहाँ तो कल वहाँ चले, मस्ती का आलम साथ चला, धूल उड़ाते जहाँ चले। सो आज आप यहाँ से वहाँ गए हैं, सो बी हैप्पी. I'm sure you'll spread happiness wherever you go. So have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Don't leave anything. Ensure भाई जी ने हमको तो हमारी दारू पिलाई नहीं, लेकिन आप ज़रूर पीना हमारी तरफ से. Cheers. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Hello, Pragya Masi.
Hi, Pragya Didi. We just wanted to wish you a very, very, very happy 50th birthday. Can we sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Masi.
Program Masi. Happy birthday to you.
Wishing you all the very best on your special day. Hope you have lots and lots and lots of fun. Love you.
Pragya, wishing you a very, very happiest, luckiest, prosperous 50th birthday. You are a superwoman. We always remember you and wish to meet you very soon. Missing you a lot. May your life become now very, very good and more prosperous.
Hi Kitty, wish you a very happy birthday. Half more century to go ahead. Look forward to chat with you a lot. Take care. Bye.
हाय प्रज्ञा, हाउ आर यू? बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको लैंडमार्क 50th बर्थडे के लिए, एंड इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेजर एंड ऑनर टू विश यू, एंड all my blessings and all my good wishes for you on such a happy and joyous occasion. And as I wish you, I am reminded of so many things. Let me just start a bit from my childhood. And we had such a wonderful time spending very nice moments together. We went to so many places together and it was great fun, and it would be my pleasure to relive those kind of moments at some point in future. Hopefully we will set up something and we'll catch up, and it would be great to spend that time again. And now also that you have been, you are crossing 50, so as we say in our Hindu religion, that you are now entering Varnaprastha ashram, which is a kind of an ashram, if you recall, that you have to slowly move away from grahast into thinking more about how to spend time and for your religious and your spiritual pursuits. So I'm sure you will make some good progress on that front as well as you move forward in that area. And you are in a new country, and you have settled down for around a year there, and I wish you all the very best to adjust and to the new people in the new places and so on, new culture, and live your next 10, 20, 50 years, whatever, at a new, well groomed and adjusted into the new place. So my best wishes overall, and be happy and be positive and enjoy your life to the maximum possible. Best wishes to you. Bye bye.
Hi Didi, golden girl on a golden birthday. You know, last couple of days, while we were compiling all these pictures and videos, I've been through a lovely memory lane. You know, I can share so much. I've been thinking about you so much and the good times we've had, the good, bad, high, low. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. So this one's for you. Here's to the ones that you got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we've lost on the way. 'Cause dreams bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back, memories bring back, memories bring back you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Pragya, missing you a lot on this special day of yours. A very, very happy 50th birthday. May wishing that this birthday brings an end to all your woes and a beginning to all the good things that you deserve the most, for you are the best. Many, many happy returns of the day. Bless you.
Hello Kitty Bua, we all wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Many, many happy returns of the day. May the next 50 be even better than the first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pragya. Happy birthday to you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy 50th birthday, Moi. Have a great life. Love you so much. To moon? No, to sun and back. To moon and back. And as much as that ocean. Look at that ocean there. Sending you so much of love from Maliko. Bye. Have a great day. Love you.
3, start.
Happy
50th birthday.
Peggy B, we love you and miss you.
Especially your Matar Paneer.
And my baby.
Whoa.
Love you. Enjoy yourself.
Hi Pragya, many happy returns of the day, dear. Congratulations on completing your 50th and many more celebrations ahead. God bless you with lots and lots of happiness, love and affection. Keep loving, keep smiling, happiness always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Pragya Mosi. I hope you have a great birthday. Best wishes from me and from everyone all in my house, Mama and everyone. I hope you have a great birthday and have lots of good wishes. Love, Nasha.
Hi Chachi, happy 50th birthday. Hope you are having a good day. You have to agree that I was the first one to wish you because I wished you like 10 days ago and I was making a mistake and you didn't even correct me, so mera pachka ho gaya tha. Never mind, but just putting it forward that I was the first one to wish you. Also, I wish that you get the best years ahead filled with everything that you desire. I so wish we could celebrate this moment together because 50 is a big deal. But I think this just gives me a selfish motive to come to US and be there. Also, I really miss your cooking. You make one of the best paneers in the world and that will always be a constant. And there is not even a single moment when I see an omelette and I don't miss you. So that will always be in the air as well. Apart from that, I truly believe that I have so many things that I want to learn from you personally, and I pray to God that God gives me that chance to be there with you in the same room and learn macrame sequence making, and cooking and all of those things. And more importantly, I want to just sit in the same room with you and chat and gossip and do all the things that we used to do together at that point of time earlier. Also, I really like that moment, you know, when I used to touch your feet and used to hug me, be like, "Tu to aur lambi ho gayi." So I miss all those small things which really made a difference in our lives, and you were always there to encourage me when I went to Bombay to study and so many other things as well. So you will always mean a lot to me, though we don't talk so often, but it will always be there. Also, I really like how you scold Manu when he is annoying me. So keep on kicking him, slapping him, punching him, do whatever you like. And one more thing, I will always respect you, because for one of the most important things I will respect you is that you handle 3 males, which I have no idea how you do. And I always tell you also that. So respect for that. Apart from that, sending you lots of love, hugs, kisses, happiness, positivity, everything that you desire. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Kitty Mosi. I hope you have like the best birthday ever. You're turning 50, which is a great, like a big landmark. And I hope you enjoy it to your fullest. Sending a lot of loves and wishes from my side. And yeah, I hope you have a great one.